Okay, let's talk a little bit about marking up text. And let's get rid of our table. We have two HR tags to separate out our work. Let's put in a header tag, and let's call it marking text. And then let's just, for illustration, put in a P tag and come down a couple spaces, lines, and put in a closing P tag. And let's put in, this is line 1, and this is line 2. And let's save it, and if we go to run this, we see that they're not two lines. And the reason is because inside of a P tag, what we need to add is a BR tag. The BR tag is a break tag, and if we now save this and run it, we're going to see that now we have two lines. Get rid of this and let's just list them. First is the bold tag. Next, we'll call it the italic tag. The strong tag. And I see I didn't close that italic tag. And then the emphasis tag. Now I'm going to put a BR at the end of each of these. And I'm going to do it by copying. And if I save this and run it, you'll see that we have bold, italic, strong, and emphasis. Now, bold and strong are displayed exactly the same. Italic and emphasis are displayed exactly the same. But you can bold anything in your text for various reasons. But strong and emphasis say something about the text. And so keep that distinction in mind. Again, remembering that you're going to save the styling for CSS, and so you may mark text as bold, but you probably want to do some kind of an override in CSS to address that bold. Strong and emphasis, think of a reader that would be reading the text, and the voice would inflect differently for strong and emphasis, but not necessarily for bold. There are a number of other ones that we'll just cover. There is the subscript. Small. Superscript. An insert to represent text that's been inserted. Deleted text to represent text that's been deleted. There is finally the mark. And let's throw in those breaks so it's easier to read. See the subscript, the small, the superscript. Inserted is represented by underscore, deleted is represented by strikeout, and marked is represented by highlight. Now I'm going to come back in here and I'm going to add a paragraph that I have prepared ahead of time. And put a P tag and then a closing P tag, just to give you an idea of what this looks like inside of a group of words. And I'm going to save that and run this. And there we go. In HTML, you use tags to mark text. A bold tag and the italics tag look just like the strong tag and the emphasis tag. Yet the strong and EM tags mark the text with meaning beyond styling. There's a tag for small text, subscripted text, superscripted text, inserted text, deleted text, or marked text. Remember to avoid using HTML to style your web page. Use CSS for styling. And there you have it. You don't have to memorize those. Just know that there are tags that will mark the text, and you can look those up as you begin developing your own web pages.